Hello, Professor. My name is Chris Lanning, and this is the fetal pig for lab exercise 2. As you can see here, I've got my fetal pig. I've got some utensils. I'm wearing proper safety attire, and I have no outside resources that could assist me outside of the illustrated listing that I need to go over here. So starting at the top, we've got the head region right here. This would be the neck right in here above the shoulders. And then we move into the trunk from here all the way down. This being the tail right here. And then this pig is a female. And you can see that right there. Alright. The axial skeleton is the head and spine and thoracic region right here. This would be the appendicular skeleton, being the legs and the arms on a person, arms, legs on a pig. Alright, so obviously the skull is right in here, and then we've got the vertebral column comes all the way down here. Here is the view of the spinal cord. You can't really make out a difference between the gray and the white matter. Gray matter is what surrounds the spinal cord, and then white matter is the inner butterfly looking portion, and that goes up, and the white portion goes to cerebral cortex of the brain, and the gray matter goes into the medulla. So moving on down here, we've got the humerus, which would be right here. So that would be the humerus. This joint is performing flexion right there as it's moving towards the body. And then we have the latimus dorsi right here, the deltoid up in here, or latimus dorsi right here, and deltoids right in here. And the gluteus medius would be down in this region. The femur, which would be right in here, it would connect to the pelvic girdle, and then the tibia would be right in here. And this one also does some flexion. Alright, turning it over. Let's get to the inside here. Alright, on the inside we've got the pectoralis major muscle right here, and it's hard to see because I've split it, but you could see it under there. The transverse abdominis, these muscles work this way to hold the abdomen in, and then the rectus abdominis would run straight up and down this way, giving you that ab muscle there. As we go inside, then we're looking at some of the glands and things like that. The parathyroid, or the thyroid, would be under here. And what makes the endocrine glands so unique is that they're especially capillary dense, and their method of secreting hormones to cause changes in the body, like insulin, for instance. Insulin binds to the cells to either to slow down the release of glucose into the blood. So when the blood has a high glucose level and it's not needed, then insulin will attach to the cells, and the cells will retain glucose as opposed to release it into the bloodstream. That should be it for this assignment. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.